welcome back. So the time is 10:15 right now. I just started having my breakfast, which is overnight oats with mango, fresh mango. You know, we got fresh mango, so delicious. So what I was doing, actually I was shooting a recipe. I'm making homemade white sandwich bread, and the recipe will be out and I'll let you guys know if it comes out today. The link of the recipe will be in the description box below. If it comes out tomorrow, it'll be in the next vlog, like so. And then I started early because it needs a little bit of time. So it's gonna be resting now for 2 hours, and then I'm gonna mix it up and place it in the bread loaf and all that stuff. And then again it's gonna be resting for 1 hour. So that is why I wanted to complete it before I go to the gym at 3 o'clock. So, but yeah, it's a very simple recipe, very easy. It doesn't have too much of ingredients, no preservative, the best part. And Mara was sitting here and helping me out in making the recipe. So I'm just gonna go sit and have my breakfast, but I'm super hungry now. I wasn't hungry in the morning, I was kind of having a headache. So I was just taking everything very lightly, not cleaning and all that stuff. But now I think now my headache is gone, so I'll just clean up the house as well, have my breakfast. Mayank is not home, he's gone to office today. So I think he'll be back by 12 o'clock or something, but before lunch break, let's see. By lunch break, I think so. But for now, let's go and enjoy the breakfast because I am starving. Today is a Wednesday, yeah. So my brother and my sister-in-law is coming over here on Friday evening. And they'll be staying with us for a day, so it's gonna be fun. And they'll be going away on Saturday morning, by Saturday morning. So at least a day with us is gonna be fun. So I haven't decided what I'm gonna be cooking for them. I'm so confused this time. I don't know why I always come up with things, but this time I'm super confused. So yeah, if you guys have any idea, do let me know in the comment section below and I'll check it out, because they're coming on Fridays. So even if you comment here, I'll still have time to rethink what to make, kind of thing. So anyways, let's enjoy some breakfast. I'm very hungry. Okay guys, so I'm making lunch and I'm done with all the cleaning and all that stuff. So what I did was, this is called purple. I don't know what it's called in other languages, but it's kind of a vegetable. So I just cut it in half, coated with some salt, paprika, all the spices, and then pan fried them, not with too much of oil, but with a little bit of mustard oil, and pan fried them. And this is how they look. So I like to eat them like this with some rice and lentils, but Mayank likes it with potatoes, so I'm just gonna keep some aside for myself, and I'm gonna cook it with some potatoes now. So in the same pan, what I'm gonna do is I sliced one potato, and I made a puree of tomatoes, so I'm gonna add that with some spices. Potatoes is gonna go in and just cook it up like that. And also I'm making bitter gourd, which is also called Karela. So it's very good for health. So whenever we get it, whenever we see it in a store, we always get it, because we don't always find it. So that is what is happening. Marvel is just lying down. Mayank hasn't come yet. I don't know, I didn't even ask him what time he's coming. I didn't call him, so no idea there. And I'm not hungry at all. So, and why I'm making two of these things and keeping it, because if you keep it raw, it's gonna go bad. So that's why I just thought I'll make it and I'll keep it, and it can stay good for a week. So that's fine. And I hope you guys are having an amazing day. My day is kind of a very slow day for me, I'll say, but still everything is going on. I'm shooting my recipes and all that stuff. But yeah, I just feel like leaving all these things right now, just going and sleeping and doing nothing at all. This is what I feel right now. But gotta do what you gotta do. Anyways, let's get back to cooking. And the reason why I'm feeling so lazy and tired, not really doing anything, is because I've been weight training, and I've actually started increasing my weight in my weight training, and my god, my body is so sore. Look at the triceps. Look at heels. So yeah, my whole body is so sore. My abs are sore, my legs are sore, so I'm like kind of very lazy right now because of that. So the recipe that I'm making, the bread is resting here in the microwave without touching it. So you don't have to switch on the microwave or anything. Just because this place is a place where there's no air going or something like that, so it stays warm in here. That's why the bread is here. Came back as like almost I was done making lunch, and he came back, so he's working right now, and the last step for my bread is all that is what I was doing right now. So you can see it's covered with the kitchen towel, and bread is all ready. Once it's cooled down, I'm gonna slice it and I'll show you guys, and it's gonna be amazing. So don't forget to check out the recipe. And we are not going to the gym today. It's going to be a rest day because we have been working out 2 days continuous. Today is going to be the rest. Again tomorrow and day after we'll be going. The weather is nice, so that is what is happening. It's a very normal day. Nothing much is happening today. And I did make a bitter gourd. I made the parval I was showing you guys, and Mayang also had that. So yeah, my bread is finally ready. Check out this bread. Oh my god, it came out so good. And the recipe will be out soon, so stay tuned for that. And I have this bread box. I'm just gonna keep it in the bread box, leave it out for 2-3 days, and then keep it in the fridge, and it'll last for at least 2-2.5 weeks. And how I like to keep it is, this is a parchment paper. I just like to keep it here, and then I slide in the parchment paper in this box. I'll show you how. So I take my this bread box, it's like this, and what I do is let me show you. I just slide this entire thing inside like so, and whenever I want to slice, I can just pull the parchment paper, I can take the slice out and then push it back in. Hold on. That's it. That is how it goes in, and done. So this is ready. Just gonna keep it out now. So yeah, Mayang is finally off work. You wanna say hi?
I'm trying to watch WWDC.
Okay. So we are going out to get Marvel's food and also take Marvel to the dog park. We're gonna take Marvel to the dog park, right? So we'll just put him in, we'll just load Marvel in the car, go to the food store, pick up his food, and from there we'll go to the dog park, play around, and then come back. Park. You guys have seen this park in our previous vlogs as well. We love this park. It's so nice and clean. He gets to meet his new friends here. So there he is meeting all his new friends. It's beautiful.
Hey guys, so I think I never spoke to you guys. I was just done with the work when Tanya came, and then we took Marvel to a dog park. He had fun because we apparently went at the time when there were too many dogs there. We just cleaned his ears, so he's going crazy about that. We also went to pick his food, but chicken was not available because we had the holiday this week, so the lady from where we get his food didn't get her stock. So it's gonna be in tomorrow morning, so we are gonna go pick it tomorrow as well. Tomorrow we have Marvel's appointment for dental cleaning examination.
Yeah,
I think he heard that. So anyways, that's what's going on. She's giving Marvel his food, and we are gonna have dal rice, and I am making dal today, and I'm making dal with like amazing dal I'm making today.
what?
No, I just broke that sentence. I'm saying I'm making amazing dal recipe today. I mean, I have never shared. There are these famous chefs who have tasted once my dal, and they are like behind me to get the recipe, but I can't. I'm sorry, I can't just give dal recipe, right? So anyways, so we are making dal rice, and she already made vegetable. She made some patal, and she made some karela, bitter gourd. So veggies are ready. And I think, did it get defrost?
Just the sides.
Okay, it's good enough for now, right?
Yeah.
So anyways, so we are gonna do that and then see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I don't know if you guys saw Tanya baking the bread, but it's what I am making. So if you remember our Kisan jam, we just got from Patel Brothers, and I just spread it over this nice slice of bread. You wanna take a bite?
Yes.
Tell me how it is. I love it. I love it so much. I love jam bread like this with bhujia. Nothing can ever beat it.
But I'm having this jam after like so many years.
Definitely, at least for me, it's after 8 years. That I can bet. And maybe over the weekend I'll eat this with bhujia, jam bread and bhujia. You guys do let us know in comments, how do you like to eat your bread? Like, do you like sandwiches, or do you like with jam, or just butter toasted?
Or you just like plain bread?
That would be weird. But yeah.
Well, if some people eat plain bread. Or do you like your bread with tea?
Oh yeah.
Dipping it in the tea.
That I know. Many people like that way. So anyways, we're enjoying this. Rice is cooking over here. Dal is already done over there. And
I'm defrosting a salmon for myself.
I'm making fried salmon for you.
Yeah.
And while I was hyping my dal, I don't want to keep suspense, I got this new dal masala from Shan, and I'm gonna try it today. And I'm gonna make
Dal tadka?
dal fry kind of thing, actually, not just tadka. I'm gonna make it with onion and everything. So let's see how it comes out.
Okay, so we have some ghee in here with some garlic and red chili, some cumin.
This is what's gonna go next.
Yeah, green chili, onion, and tomato.
And then the dal masala.
Yeah, you guys already saw this dal masala. Yeah. Oh, it smells nice. So we'll be using this. And
is your fish marinated? Oh, you want to marinate on this?
yeah, no, I just need a chopping board. And the dal is ready over here. So he'll just mix up everything in there, add it over here. It's almost everything is ready.
Yep. Mango.
Mango time.
And I peel mango with knife, and I finally accomplished a one peel.
Wow,
cool is
I can
that?
never do that.
How cool is that?
First of all, I cannot peel with a knife. I always use a peeler. And that's cool. He didn't even like break it anywhere.
So I guess we are gonna just eat mango.
This is yours? He is so bad. He's so bad. No, he always takes the small one out for me and he takes the big one. I don't know why he does that.
She told me I can't eat a big one, I am very full.
I said I cannot eat two.
So guys, this is equal to 2 of these. This was going bad. See, this is bad one. I took a big one out for you.
As if. Anyways.
So we are gonna eat mango and then go to bed.
Yeah.
And see you guys in another amazing vlog. And do let us know what kind of mango do you like. I know we get different names here, but still, what kind of I'm pretty familiar with other names as well, Indian mangoes. So do let us know what kind of mangoes do you like, or do you like any other fruit?
Yeah.
And how do you like your mangoes? We like, Tanya has been making overnight
oats with topped with mangoes.
And I am loving it. I'm loving that.
We're eating that every day for our breakfast.
So let us know in comments. I'm sorry, I'm very distracted right now. And let us know in comments, and we'll see you in another vlog. Thank you so much for watching us, and until then, bye.